Good morning. It is Friday, August 6th at 7:30 in the morning. And it is officially move-in day. So I actually am leaving in an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. Car's already packed. And just see how that goes.
No, I'm not trying to spell couch.
Hi guys. It is currently, what time is it? 7:52. Only 20 minutes later. Only thing I've done is get dressed and brush my hair. Sounds about right. Oh, my baby. Sierra, say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Sierra. No, not Sierra.
Okay.
Mom, you want to say hello to the vlog?
My baby's leaving, so I'm making her last breakfast.
I can take some. Hi guys, so we are in the car. It's 8:30. We is us. And we are off. We'll be there by about 10 o'clock, which is about 30 minutes earlier than my check-in time. But I wanted to have like extra time just in case. So we have boxes literally everywhere. Boxes everywhere. And it's really hot. Hi guys! So it is day 2. Definitely forgot to finish yesterday. Let me show you what you got.
I told you, let it go.
Boxes still everywhere. A little bit of a mess, but that's okay.
What?
My mommy watches these. Now we're gonna go and I actually have no idea what we're doing right now. Okay, hi guys. We are now in the dining commons, drinking. Literally haven't done much, went shopping, came back, and now we're at this block party, but it's a little hot, so we'll go out there in a second.
Days been slipping away when I be blinking. Think I saw you in my dreams under my linens. She gets under your skin if you let her, yeah. She gets under your skin if you. But who are you to find peace in my hands? The day has worn on through, so now go seek it and yeah. It's like West Side Story with a North Side boy, yeah. I'm here and I'm gonna be gone before you know it, yeah. I know that life is pretty fucking short, so will you dance with me on my bedroom floor? Like, now you've gone away.
Hey, so we actually just got back and I took a shower because it was really hot, super sweaty, and that's really the end of this. Just really my first whole day and a little bit of the moving in. I'm still not done with packing. Probably won't be done for another week, honestly, knowing me. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching and hope you tune in for next time.
Look at at